Okay, so I'm going to start practicing one of the problems for difference quotient so you can practice it. And especially now, when I ask you to find the difference quotient, I want you to think of, I'm always asking for you for 2 points to find the rate of change. And as soon as I say the rate of change, you should be thinking to yourself, okay, she wants the slope. And that's what we've been talking about the whole time. So here I have a function here, f of x equals x squared plus x. I want you to find the rate of change between the point a, f of a, and a plus h, f of a plus h. Now, when I do this, I need 2 points, and I recognize that I have function notation here. So I actually have to plug it into that equation. So I'm going to rewrite it like this. F of box equals box squared plus x. Box, excuse me. So whenever I ask you to find like f of 2 or f of 3, you're just going to throw it in here. But now I'm going straight on with letters here. So if I want you to find f of a, you literally are going to plug an a here and here. So I have the point a, and it's going to be a squared plus a. So there's my first point because I plugged an a in this box here and that box there. Okay, so then the next thing I want to do is I'm going to try to do a plus h. So here I'm going to plug an a plus h in this box and an a plus h here. So this point turns to a plus h squared plus a plus h. I get it looks ugly, but those are the 2 points. Now I'm going to actually do the slope, and if I do the slope, you're going to do delta y over delta x. I would suggest that you do bottom to top for your y's just because it's a lot longer and it makes it look nicer and a lot less negative signs. So I'm going to multiply a plus h squared in a minute plus a plus h, subtract a squared plus a. There's my delta y. All over my delta x is saying a plus h minus a. Now, by doing that, this is so cool. I can say thanks for playing. The denominator is just h. And I'm going to multiply this out, which is a squared plus 2ah plus h squared. And that's going to be right here. So I have a squared plus 2ah plus h squared plus a plus h. So I finished this part. Subtract these two by changing their signs, minus a squared minus a all over h. Now, if you did this right, the whole second half of this should cancel. And so I can say thanks for playing. The a's are gone. The a squareds are gone. So now I have 2ah plus h squared all over, plus h all over h. I'm saying h a lot. And then I'm going to factor an h out because I have 3 terms here. So if I factor an h out, I have 2a plus h plus 1. These can cancel, thanks for playing. So this comes out to be 2a plus h plus 1. So there's one practice of the difference quotient. So I'm going to keep doing these every class so that you can practice this. We're going to do this all year long so that you're good at this. So that's all there is to that. I should come up with a song at the end. So this sounds so cool when I finish.